Hello, I am Matt. This is Stock Speedrun number 2 for the weekend of April 2nd, 2022. Technically the first actual speedrun since I decided to be cheeky in this weekend's first video. I couldn't help myself. Anyway, if you are unfamiliar with what a stock speedrun is, as always, you can check this video's description for an explanation and a disclaimer as to its content. Let's see what the actual spinner has for us in this video. Lithia Motors! Is this... There's no way that this is an EV company. I feel like if it was an EV company, I would have heard of it. Yeah, I'm surprised I haven't heard of it to begin with. Lithia Motors. That sound familiar? Price is an automotive retailer in the United States. I'm trying to think I've heard of Lithia before. I don't think I have. Domestic import luxury. 278 stores, offers products online through 300 websites. 300 websites? What? What kind of cars do they make here? Lag, stocks. Actually, let me look at this chart first before I start going down these articles. Came back roaring. Holy crap. Definitely taken off recently. I do kind of wonder if this is an EV company. Again, if it is, I'm surprised I haven't heard of it, but this chart, especially this last 5-year chart, this looks like the chart of an EV company, I'm going to be honest. These earnings numbers look pretty good. Earnings of 1138. Actually, you know what? I want to fact check these numbers. I want to fact check these numbers. How many share... I want to go to statistics. Actually, these are very low PEs. Wonder why. Oh, I already forgot what I was going to come in here and look. Oh yeah, I want to see how many shares are outstanding. Shares outstanding, 29 point... Oh, maybe it is. 29.49 million. Let me get out a calculator. Whoa, why is it so big? What the fuck? Okay, alright, that's better. But 29.49, 29.49. I'm not going to bother putting in all the zeros for a million. You go to summary. Look at this quarterly again. Actually, you know what? This might work out because... So 29.49 times 11.39 earnings per share times 11.3 equals 333. I mean, that says 291. I mean, it's close enough to argue that these numbers work out and are the actual numbers. For some reason, the math doesn't always work out perfectly, but it's close enough for me to say that this is probably... that these numbers up here are probably accurate. And if they are, they're very impressive. Especially these last 3 quarters knocked it out of the park. Not just in earnings, but also in revenues. However, it has stagnated a slight bit. Because it had this big bump up from quarter 1 to quarter 2, and then it's just kind of coasted? Coasted since there? I want to, since then, I can't do words. I want to learn more about this company. Fast times minute, but it's still a bargain stock. Tell me about that, Zax. Dips more than broader markets, don't really care. Outpace reset, don't really care. You invested with Dow in Lithia Motors, you'd be rich as fuck today. Sonic Banks, 1099 stocks, analysts see up 33%, 3.3%. Blah, 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 blah. New strong buy stocks. Yeah, I actually want to take a look at that one. Zach's Industry Outlook highlight for Lithia Motors. I want to see that one too. Stock moves, 5 stocks. Big US auto detailers bet billions against the death of the dealership. I mean, that kind of makes sense because this company apparently has significant online operations. And honestly, when you think about the size of the United States, I don't think 278 is all that big. That might be something I want to look at for Phase 2. Like, what is the average number of dealerships for a company that, like how many Toyota dealerships are there in the United States? That's something I want to compare against. Setting from a new high, blah 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 blah. Upside, Leon Cooperman, don't care. Blah blah blah. No, I want news about like what kind of stuff they're working on. Great choice for value investors. Think about that. Increases revenue 60%, earnings per share 36%, and adjusted EPS 109%. Very impressive. I do want to read about that. Wait, why does it say Lithia and Driveway? Is that just another name for the company? Because it says Lithia Motors here, but this is Lithia. I don't know. I want to see what these guys are buying. I want to see what these guys are buying. All right, you know, I think I got enough goddamn tabs open. Let's go start reading some of this stuff. Fast-paced momentum, but it's still a bargain stock. Everyone's expecting to move fast trading stocks. Yes, I've stopped speaking proper English several minutes ago. It's just been gibberish from here on out. I apologize. While any stock sees a spike in, sure, it takes a real momentum player to deliver positive returns for a long time frame. LED meets its criterion as the stock has gained 8.6 over the past 12 weeks. Okay, good for them. Favorable momentum, upward trend, earnings estimates, has its X ranked to a buy. I wonder if Zax is going to input that back into their circular logic. We like this stock, but it's a buy, and it's a buy because we like this stock. Zax has literally published articles like that before. It's ridiculous. Okay, I don't see a whole lot in here about why it's still a bargain stock. Unless I passed over something that I have no time to really look into right now. Yeah, I don't care. I only have 50. You gotta feed me the numbers, damn it. 5 stocks added to the Zax Rank 1 Strong Buy list today is... Ooh, Henry Schein. I did that before. LAD. It just said in that other article that LAD is a buy, though, not a strong buy. New and used vehicles related service in the United States. Current earnings increased to 5.2%. Okay, there's not a whole lot of information here. What does this 38 mark mean? Is this just cut down? Are these numbers divided by 10? It looks like it. I don't know why. It's kind of stupid. Group 1 Automotive, Zax Auto Retail Wholesales, Industry Overview. Here's Lithia. Noteworthy names in the auto retail space. Lithia's diversified product mix and multiple streams of income reduce its risk profile and position for sales. Auto retail. Is it not an auto manufacturer? Operates as an automotive retailer. I think I misunderstood what this company was. They don't manufacture vehicles. Let me open their website. About the company. They have inventory of vehicles. They have buy-seller finance services. Green cars, whatever that is. Driveway finance. I don't think they're actually a manufacturer. I think they are simply a retailer. Which would make sense why they seem to be much more on the ball and see the future being potentially all e-retail for cars, and why they have those 300 websites as opposed to those 278 dealership stores. I mean, I still want to know where that is compared to something like Toyota, just out of curiosity. Okay, I mean, I kind of liked this, just looking at the numbers and everything before. I kind of like it now that I have a better understanding of what they actually do. What their vision... Oh, this is all the same page. Vision, mission, our values. It's like, you know what? Well, this is corporate nonsense. Just once I want to go down to our values, and it's like, we hate everyone, our customers suck. You gotta have a lot of balls to put out shit like that. Like, this is cookie cutter, feel good, you know, nonsense. Okay, alright, that's kind of all I wanted to see here. Yeah, that's all I wanted to see here too. Great choice for value investors. If they don't time the market or buy low, sell high, in other words, blah blah. Several great candidates that make it through the screen. Could spike and appeared for short. No, actually no. So long as I'm here, how many Toyota dealers are in the USA? Actually, 1,500. That's still less than I would have expected across the entirety of North America. That's still less than I would have thought. Huh. Interesting. What about Ford? I can spell Ford. It's 4 letters. It's not hard. 3,000. Ooh. Ford's got the jump up. Dang. Okay. Alright, that's kind of... Oh, shit, I closed that tab. I wasn't supposed to do that. Alright, well, you know what? That's me. I fucked up. Looks like I'm stuck with Yahoo for the rest of this run. Okay. You know, there wasn't really much that I wanted to look up anyway. I think the rest that I need to find out about Lithia can be basically found out in Yahoo. But he meets his criterion of stock gain 2.6. Over the momentum for LED is fast-paced, so the stock currently is a beta of 1.63. I used to know what that means. I used to know what beta means. Oh, wait, it explains it right here. This indicates that stock moves 63% higher than the market in either direction. Yes, I knew that. I knew that! I know what's going on here. I know what I'm talking about. Very impressive fourth quarter, as I saw already. Net income attributable. Fourth quarter net income was 2.239. Compared to net income from the same period of 2020, you could probably find similar metrics for the second quarter and the third quarter, which were equally as impressive. I kind of wonder how much those were increased year over year from their quarters of 2020. Yes. Right. 1,650 driveway transactions. Very cool. Okay. And from what I can see in these numbers, they look pretty good. Deal sales increased. Finale per unit increase. I'm not too sure what that means, though. I'm going to be honest. Total vehicle gross profit per unit increased to $5,855. Pretty good. Alright, I like these numbers. Where's Lad? So, they like it, they bought it, and... they like it, they bought it. Okay, I kind of want to give this a buy also. Let's see if there's anything in here that can change my sentiment, because I'm liking everything I'm looking at, and I'm reading, and you can even argue that it may be a good time to buy, seeing as it has been a little bit... it still looks like a solid company, but the price has been a little bit stagnant and difficult to move in the past at least 6 months. What does a year look like? Year or two, you could say it's even down a little bit. You know, maybe not like a buy in the dip situation, but kind of. But then again, I don't know. I guess you can make the argument that it's kind of flattened out since this general downward trend. I mean, I can't really say otherwise, just based on that PE, which was very low. Let's go see what Conversations has to say. Nobody in here? I don't know why it makes me reload the page each time. Fucking Yahoo. I want to see the newest first. Right? I don't know why, but this gym gif gets me every time. I think it's funny. Dying business. Why? Are better positioned than any other dealership. Check out the driveway site. He says debt. He apparently points out the debt. Are they in a lot of debt? Can I see that? Can I see that here in statistics? Where's debt? Total debt. Oh, god damn. That's actually a lot. Shit. Okay. An impressive book value, but he's not wrong. That is a lot of debt. Actually, you know what? I want to compare that to Toyota Motor Company. Yeah, something else has. I know I'm comparing it with all these companies. How much debt do these guys have? Is that comparable? 25. Actually, you know what? That might be in yen. I mean, that's still a lot of goddamn money, but that might be in yen. Yeah, I guess you can say that one guy was correct to point out debt, but like everyone has debt. It's a fact of life. If you want to have a successful company, you're gonna have debt at some point. And they seem like a successful company to me. I have no reason to not. I have no reason that I can think of to not want to hit this buy button. So you know what? That's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I like this. It does worry me a little bit that it seems to have stagnated, but I only see that. Well, there's two ways to see that. One, it's stagnated and it won't go up. But you can also say that it's stagnated and it won't go down necessarily either. And honestly, I don't really see any news or anything about the company that would break that stagnation to the downside, only potentially break it to the upside. So that's why I think I'm comfortable giving this a buy. I like it. Seems like a good company. I think it can go up from here. Time frame is debatable, but if you were to buy this, I think you're safe. Again, channel is not solid financial advice. Do your own research, but I personally like this. I give it a buy, and you, dear viewer, I will catch you in the next one.